patient
Hey, nurse.
is... Yes, my name is Martes. Nurse Martes, how can I help you?
My name is Dr. Peterson. I'm the new intern in here.
The new intern. Welcome to the floor. How can I help you?
Room number 1, I was passing through and he was asking for water. Can you give him water?
I have a question for you.
Sure.
You have health problem?
No, I don't.
Are you disabled?
Do I look like one?
You put your hands up like this. And then your feet, can you wiggle it a bit?
Okay.
See, all of your limbs are working. Get the water and give it to the patient. Thank you. Hello, Dr. Peterson.
Yes, nurse?
Apparently, you told all the nurses in the floor that if they have any questions to you, they don't call you. Instead, they tell me the question and I'm supposed to tell you all their concerns.
Yes, I did. I'm just trying to make my job easier.
Unfortunately, we are not working for you and you are not our boss, okay? This hospital doesn't work like that. This is a multidisciplinary team. Dr. Peterson,
Yes, nurse?
you know that bathroom on the left? Every single people that works in here knows not to shit in that bathroom. So now, I want you to call the plumbing. Here, I'm gonna give you my phone. Call the plumbing and explain to them what you did, that you shit on that bathroom, okay? Thank you.
Hey, nurse, do me a favor. Room number 2, let's stop his ceftriaxone. We'll start him with Piptazo. Also, start him with a lactator ringers, 100 cc per hour.
Excuse me, is that an order?
I want you to make us a verbal order.
You want me to take it as a verbal order? Are you gonna feed my family if I lose my license? If I kill that patient?
The order's coming from my attending.
Do you have a pen? Use your pen and write it yourself. Thank you. Remember room 4, Mr. Smith? Yes, well, he is about to leave the hospital. I'm not sure why, but he told me that you tell him that he can go home.
Yes, ma'am, I did. I mean, what he's gonna do here, he's been here for 6 weeks and he's taking up space. We got admissions coming from the ER, so.
Oh, because everything seems fine to you? Where's his taxi? How about his pension? Who's gonna fix the pension for him? You know that the patient doesn't have a house? Now go back and tell the patient that he's not going home today and you deal if he's angry. Okay? Because I'm not dealing with that. That's not my fault.